So again, once again, a warm, very welcome to this event today. Let us celebrate ourselves. Let us celebrate women, her spirit, her courage today. So welcome you all.
Thank you. I now invite Dr. Priya and Dr. Shweta.
My name is Santosh Sharma. I am Head of Operations for South in Kissner Diamond and Gold Jewelry. And with me, we have our Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Vikram Mansukhani. And we have our distinguished guest, our franchisee partner, Mr. Lakshman, and Mr. Teja, and Mr. Bhimaram. They are from Vizag and Bangalore itself. So, welcome everybody, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to talk about Kissner Diamond. So Kissner Diamond Gold Jewelry is a part of Hari Krishna Group, and Hari Krishna Group was started in the year 1992 by our founder, Mr. Ghanshyam Dholakia. He started this business of diamond in the year 1992 in Surat, and the journey took off, and now we are a big family of more than 10,000 employees, and the group has a turnover of 15,000 crore. And we have export in more than 100 plus countries across globe. And Kissner Diamond Gold Jewelry is a part of Hari Krishna Group, which Mr. Ghanshyam Dholakia started in the year 2005. And we ventured into jewelry business because we have our own diamonds of mines to market. Rough diamond we procure, and we do our cutting, coloring and polishing of the diamond, and then the designing of the jewelry is done by us only, and then we convert the diamond into jewelry, and then we sell it through Kissner Diamond and Gold Jewelry. So we have 1300 plus SIS also in Pan India, and if you talk about the exclusive brand outlet, which is Kissner Diamond and Gold Jewelry, it is 136 stores Pan India, where we are giving benefit to our customer of a low price and a quality product and our designs. So the customer feedback so far we have received that customers have liked the product design very much, the quality of the Kissner Diamond and Gold Jewelry very much, and the price is very competitive. So this is what the benefit the customers are getting, and along with that we give a unique benefit to customer in diamond jewelry, 90% buyback and 95% exchange. We are the only brand who give this benefit to our customer. And if I talk about Karnataka, we have 6 stores presently right now, 4 in Bangalore and 5 in Bangalore, 4 in Bangalore, 1 in Mysore, and the another one in Belgaum. And we have a robust plan and a very aggressive plan to open the stores across of Karnataka, including the small towns like Raichur, and we have a plan to go at the district levels and open stores in the small cities and all the districts of Karnataka. So with this we will be able to reach out to the people of Karnataka, show them our jewelry, and we can also generate employment. So this is one part we are taking care of. As an organization, we are very serious about social responsibility. So we donate blood. Our employees, or we keep driving the blood donation camp, tree plantation we do, and we do free food distribution to all the needy people. And when we talk about our founder, Mr. Sabji Dholakia, he has been awarded Padma Shri for water lake conservation. So this is what about us. So today in Banshankari, Krishna Diamond and Gold Jewelry, we are celebrating International Women Day, where we are empowering, we are appreciating the strength of women in contributing to the growth of the nation, to the whole world. So this is what, and to mark the celebration on the 8th of March, the Krishna Diamond took a very unique step, and that step, for one day across India we changed our brand name. We are the only company who changed the brand name for one day. We moved from Krishna Diamond Gold Jewelry to Radha Diamond and Gold Jewelry. So this is what we did to show our respect to the female customers and all the women of the world. So this is what we did, and as I said, that we believe in a lot of social responsibilities. We take it very seriously, and I request the people of Karnataka to please extend your warm support to us, and please visit our stores across Karnataka, and please help us grow the business in the entire of Karnataka. Thank you very much.
Feel too big that you have reached the top and you're well educated and all. No, many people have rich experience in all fields. That is not necessarily in STEM and medical, in other in sports, other things. You see, everywhere ladies have come up so far, so culturally. And in fact, for me, my tenure in ISRO, it is really very nice, very fulfilling, very memorable. Definitely challenging as I was a lady in those days. When I joined also, I used to be the only lady in Hyderabad when I joined there. Afterwards another lady joined. We were the only two ladies engineers for that. The rest all were some secretaries to the head of the division or something like that.